My name is Mehmet Çorbacıoğlu. I am Business Development Director at Nurol Makina. I'm responsible for overseas market, including Southeastern region. Nurol Makina is a technology developer, integrator, designer and manufacturer of superior 4x4 armored vehicles. As a global player, we have a factory in Hungary with our local partner, and we are serving Hungarian Defense Forces by doing technology transfer at that factory. In addition to that, we established a local company in UK. Our office is located at Birmingham, and soon we will start building a manufacturing line in UK by investment of Nurol Makina. This will be our first step of technology transfer to UK. Nurol Makina is only focusing on 4x4 tactical wheeled armored vehicles. Therefore, we have different segments, different protection levels of vehicles, different weights of the vehicles. And right now we are displaying our unique and modular platform, which is called NMS 4x4 here. This vehicle has been tested by Malaysian Armed Forces, and also this vehicle has some superiorities, like it has a NATO general vehicle architecture. It also combines the lightweight and modularity with a scalable armor system with underbelly protection. Yes, as you may know, we recently signed a contract with Malaysian Armed Forces, and we have delivered those vehicles at the end of last year. Those vehicles are fielded in Lebanon, UN peacekeeping operations right now. Ejder Yalçın was the first penetration to this region, and after that we signed a contract with Indonesian Brimob Force for NMS 4x4 vehicles, and we started the deliveries of those projects. And we are planning to finish the deliveries within this year. NMS 4x4 with its right-hand drive version, we believe that it has a high potential in this region. Nurol Makina is a global player, as I told you. We have vehicles at South America, we have vehicles in Africa, Europe, Gulf region, Asia and Far East Asia. Right now, all the users of Nurol Makina vehicles are very satisfied that we provide the services and the products that we provide to them. So we are always together with our users around the world.